In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get people to pay an invoice on QuickBooks. If you want customers to pay quickly, the first step is giving them a clean, accurate invoice they can easily access. I'll show you how to find the right invoice in QuickBooks Online, preview it to make sure everything looks perfect, and then print it or save it as a PDF so you can share it in the way that works best for your workflow. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the left navigation panel. Click Sales. This is your central hub for everything you sell and bill, estimates, sales receipts, and of course, invoices. To see the full picture and quickly get to what you need, choose All Sales. This view brings all your transactions into one list so you're not jumping around different screens. Next, narrow things down so you're only looking at invoices. Use the filter and select invoices. This removes extra noise and helps you focus on what matters. If your list is long, take advantage of the search and sorting tools here. Look up the customer name, the invoice number, or filter by date to zero in faster. When you spot the invoice you want to print, click it to open. This opens the full invoice details so you can confirm that everything is correct before sharing it. Before you print, it's smart to preview. Click Print or Preview. The preview shows you exactly what your customer will see, including your logo, business details, line items, quantities, taxes, and the total due. This is the perfect moment to scan for typos, check that the due date and terms are visible, and make sure any notes you rely on, like thank you messages or payment instructions, are included. A tidy, consistent layout helps reduce questions and speeds up payments. When you're happy with how it looks, select Print to send it to your printer. Choose the right printer and paper size, and consider using a fit-to-page or shrink-to-fit option if your layout runs close to the margins. If the colors or logos appear faint, try printing in high quality for a more professional finish. Alternatively, you can download the invoice as a PDF and then print it. This is handy if you want a file to attach to a message, store in your records, or print later. Save it with a clear file name like the invoice number and customer name so you can find it quickly. That's it. Go to Sales, open All Sales, filter to Invoices, select your invoice, use Print or Preview, then either print directly or download a PDF. A clear, accurate invoice makes it easier for people to pay on time.